The small disguise application head removes even the finest facial hairs from the roots. The cleaning brush improve your skin's appearance through gentle and deep pore cleansing. The massage head relax muscles, relieve stress, and improve blood circulation. The Callus remover head removes the dead skin, improve entire skin. Before use, make sure your skin and the application head are truly clean. Turn on the appliance by sliding the on-off switch. When turned on, for best result, make sure that the tweezers root against the direction of hair growth. To become familiar with the appliance, we recommend trying it first on the chin or near the outer corner of the mouth. Hold the appliance with the tweezers against a section of skin that you keep stretched with your free hand. Carefully guide it with gentle pressure against the direction of hair growth. Do not press too hard as this may lead to skin injury. To stretch the upper lip area, use your tongue to push from below. After you size the on-off switch to the off position carefully, clean the appliance head using the cleaning brush. Avoid it. Relax the skin. We recommended applying a moisturizing cream after appliance. When applicating for the first time, it is advisable to applicate the evening so that any possible reading can disappear overnight.